The beauty of Google Docs is that it is a cloud document, so you can share it with other users and collaborate very easily. And to share your document with other collaborators, you can simply go up over here onto the top right. And here, as I hover over, you can see that it is set to private to only me. So you want to share it with other collaborators, simply click over here. And then what you can do is you can add in more collaborators over here. So in my case, I'm just going to add in my second channel email. And then I'm going to go around over here and choose the permission as editor. If you just want them to view the document, you go for viewer. If you just want them to comment on the document, you go for commenter. But if you want to edit them, make them an editor, collaborate with the document, then you click on editor. And then you can leave a message right here, something like, hey, collaborate this document with me, just like this. And then hit send. So once you hit send, what happens is that the email is sent to the other user and they'll be able to accept your request for collaboration. If you want to email out all the collaborators at once, then you can go to file right here and then go to email and then click on email collaborators. So all the collaborators right here, like editors, are here. If you have viewers or commenters, then you'll get the list such as that. And then you can send yourself a copy and then say, hey, let's start collaborating from tomorrow, just like this. So I can add in, let's say just like this, I can just add in the message right here and send it, and it'll be sent as an email. So what the other user will then receive is this. So I'm logged in onto my second channel right here in incognito mode, and over here you can see the second channel. So here it says the first one is invitation to edit. So the other user will be able to open up and then edit it at the same time. And you can see right here who else is viewing the document. So you can see that now the second channel is viewing this document. And they'll be able to make the changes right here. On the other option that you can see right here, if you were to go on to this one, now I have the message here saying, hey, let's collaborate from tomorrow. And this is how you see it from the viewer's perspective. That is the collaborator's perspective. And that is how you can share documents for collaboration, and the sharing options are available in Google Docs document. And that's how you share and email collaborators from Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.